How to fix your Whoop is not turning on. So if you've tried charging your battery and you can't turn on your Whoop device, I'm going to show you a couple of troubleshooting steps. Now the first thing you'll need to do is just go and disconnect the battery from the watch like so. You can then grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into the battery and the other end into a charging outlet. Now if you see a red LED light, you need to wait for this battery to go and charge. If the LED light is green, then the battery should already be charged and you can go in and disconnect it from the charging cable. Now, once you've done this, you need to go and grab a cloth or a small brush and you need to go and clean the sensors on the side of the Whoop watch. So you can see these metal sensors on both sides of the watch, and you can grab a slightly damp cloth just to try it cleaning these. So sometimes you may get dirt stuck on the sides of this, and this can prevent the watch from actually charging. Now you'll also need to do the same thing on the battery pack as well. So just grab a cloth and try cleaning the sensors on both of the sides. You can then place the battery onto the watch, and after a few seconds, your Whoop should now be working. If you're still having an issue turning it on, you can try charging the watch while the battery is attached to the Whoop. So I'm going to grab my USB-C cable and I'm just going to plug it in like this. You can then wait around 45 minutes and once again check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, you can also try going into the Whoop app and you can just try force rebooting the device from the app itself, and that's another way to go and solve this power issue.